Today I'm gonna unbox a hair clipper from KEMEI with a model number KM2373. So this is not for professional level, just for a home use. So got 2000 milliamp battery. So what else? Okay. 3 hours charging time and 240 minutes operating time. Yeah, that's it. This is the hair clipper. Very light. It is very, very light. Okay. Inside the box, you get the manual, little brush, oil, charging cable, and a guide combs. So that's it. And here is the hair clipper. It looks good, I have to say. It's a clicky lever, as you can hear. USB-C charging. Okay, got a hangy hook. 8 watts. Okay. And all plastic. Taper blade. As you can see. Clicking lever. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 clicking lever. Okay. This is the front logo. And is it a ceramic cutter blade? Yeah, a ceramic cutter blade. So now, sound check. Like I said before, it's for home use. Okay. It is very, very... It's not loud, you know. So, it's not loud. $271. Yeah. Now, the RPM test. $6,500 RPMs. That's it for the unboxing of this KEMEI hair clipper. Peace, man.